This is question 2.1b from Klein's second edition of Organic Chemistry. And we're asked to draw a Lewis structure for this condensed format here. The textbook gives an example, step by step, how to break this down. I forgot a 2 there. So what they suggest is to first draw the groups. Okay, there's these groups in parentheses here, and a lot of students get those confused how they're positioned in the chain of carbons or something. Okay, so a CH3 CH2 group, we have 2 of those. And then by way of the carbon atoms, they're bonded to one another. So these 2 CH2 groups are bonded to a carbon, this one here on the right. So I'm going to draw a line from this carbon atom and a line from this carbon atom, and I'm going to connect them to a C. All right? And then now we just want to write what's called a partially condensed structure. Draw the H on that C. And then we have CH2, CH2OH. Now that we have a partially condensed structure, we can go ahead and draw the Lewis structure. And for each C, you want to draw the H's attached to that. So we have 2 carbons. Okay, so let's work on these 2 carbons here. We want to draw out the 3 hydrogens. We want to draw out these 2 hydrogens. And I'll repeat that down here. And sometimes things are a little squished together, so you kind of have to be creative in how you position your hydrogens. It doesn't have any significance right now which way you orient them. And now let me highlight a little bit. It's easy to get lost. Here's a green circle. So you want to draw a hydrogen there. And that's going to be bonded to another carbon. A CH2 group is 2 hydrogens attached to a carbon. And that's a very common occurrence of having that in an organic molecule. And you can see how there's another one here. There's another CH2 group. Okay, and then that's going to be bonded to an oxygen, which is bonded to a hydrogen. Now, step 3 is always to add the lone pairs of electrons, and what you remember is that oxygen is always divalent, and that's only possible if it has 2 lone pairs on the oxygen to complete its octet. So that's the full Lewis structure for this starting condensed structure up here. Thanks for watching.